Harvest corn bowl. I'm trying to get the outfit. Dog. See the top. These are like just dogs. Oh. Yeah. What do you think, Abigail? Hot. Oh my gosh, look at that persimmon. I think it's ready. Hello. This is a few days of my life where I'm alone, but not completely alone because I have my siblings to take care of. I think it's fine to be alone and it's calming in a way. And I think there's also a lot of positives in solitude. I named this slice of life for a reason. A slice of life is not always perfect and there's always something to learn from, even if you think there's nothing to learn from. But anyway, I think I'll be... What am I doing next? I'm gonna leave you off with me doing some errands. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, I just bought a straightener because it's the same one. I don't know why I got the same one because it might break again, but the plug broke and it was kind of scary, so I had to get a new one. So yeah, let's go in. Anyway, I'm gonna go back home. Hello. I am gonna go. I was planning on going to a cafe all day, but I honestly feel so lazy. I feel so lazy right now. Hey, I just bought... I feel like... Oh shoot! Oh my gosh, my brother's right there. Hide! Anyway, I got Panera. I don't usually buy food, but I feel like I've been buying food lately. I don't know. But, hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm back home. I got their mac and cheese, because I remember someone saying it was really good. And then, what the heck? Oh, this is like a random piece of bread in here. Let's try this. Should I mix it? Ooh, it's so hot. Boo. I'm going to go study at a cafe right now. I'm gonna pack my bag, my tote bag, reusable utensils. This one's from yesterday. Wallet, keys, also a hand cream, Siores or Shiotis. It's so nice. Laptop. It's like nowadays I have to work somewhere. Like I can't do anything at home. It's like something on the screen. Let's go. Like a witch. Stay lonely. She ain't my You did? I can't do that. What the heck? I don't even know. It was so hard. Oh my god. I like it when food like burns my mouth. I did it! I woke up this morning. Yeah. And I was like, dang, that was a weird amount of sleep that I just slept. Oh, this is really spicy. It's not spicy as you. I said it tastes spicy, but it doesn't feel spicy. Yeah, that's what. Here's the outfit. As you can tell, I've really been liking this skirt lately. Also, I'm planning to go to H-Mart right now because I need to pick up a few things. I'm not really doing much today anyway, so I thought it'd be nice to just go there and do some shopping. Let's go. I feel like I should do something else, to be honest, but I need to go home and make a meal first. Anyway, little grocery haul. I want to do a little grocery haul before I go. I need spinach, so I got some spinach. I got some natto. I got konjac jelly. I used to have this all the time. I got 2 flavors. I used to have this all the time, and then I forgot about it. This is mango and a melon flavor. Ah, I'm excited. Autumn just reminds me of Taylor's songs, so that's why I've been listening to them. Brunch. We're gonna make like egg scramble kind of thing. I forgot what it's called. I'm lucky today because the onion is pretty old. Don't I usually put, oh yes, actually I forgot. Some cherry tomatoes. Oh, it's an old one. Hello?
We added you.
These are mini avocados. Today, here is a brunch. Looks so good. Sweet potatoes are done. Da-da-dum. Ooh, it's too hot though. Ah, look at that. It's like a torch. I'll wait for that to cool down. Hold on, you know. Hey, I hope you liked the video. There's a few weeks within the year where it's like this, so I wanted to show it. It's basically me cooking and picking them up from like school and their practices and stuff like that, but everything's good. I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye. I'm gonna be your number